way, take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough.
So I've recently just picked up the Rode Lavalier Go, which feeds through and connects to the DJI wireless receiver, or was it the transmitter, sorry. It feeds through the wireless transmitter. I've been using this for like the past 3 or 4 videos, which is pretty good. I did buy these quite a while back, but I've kind of not really been using them as much as I am now, just because I got used to using a shotgun mic, and also I don't really like having to clip it to myself, because I feel like I want my vlogs to be very natural, and if I put it here and guys can see that, it feels like I'm kind of preparing a bit too much. I'm not sure, but let's see how the audio quality is. I've done a few tests, but I feel like there's like a few small adjustments that I need to make to like the level of the gain as well. So I'm gonna watch this back and see how it is. But anyway, as you guys have noticed, I have had a haircut, quite a drastic one compared to maybe like 6 months ago when I had like really long hair and everything. It is very short now. And there's a lot of mixed feelings about this from you guys. Like some people really like the long hair, some people like the short hair, some people don't like the short hair. I don't know, like I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I don't know, hair's just hair, right? And if you guys are from like an East Asian descent, you guys know the struggle of having long hair and it being very coarse and it just like puffing out at the sides like this, and you got to get your hair cut every like 2 weeks or so. And I just got really fed up with having long hair. So yeah, that's why I've cut it really short. But now I feel like I'm ready to do like a full buzz cut, like a number 2 or number 3 all round. I went this short, but it was still like a bit longer on top. It was like a number 8, if that means anything to you guys. So it's still not a official buzz cut where it's like a 1 number all round, because I was really worried that it would just look horrendous. So I wanted to go like gradually, but I think it looks okay. Like I obviously prefer having hair, but I just really can't be bothered to maintain my hair anymore. I just want to do a quick easy buzz and then happy days. So I have bought these clippers. Ignore the box. Amazon didn't really, you know, they kind of finessed me a bit here. But I got these clippers. So yeah, let's, I guess, cut my hair. Okay, so I'm just looking at that clipper and I'm thinking that is so short for number 3. Like, if I do that, whoa, you can see how much hair is coming off when I do that. So maybe I'll start with a number, oh no, sorry, hang on. This is actually a number 1. I was reading the wrong part of it. I was reading the 3mm when it should be the middle number there. So I think if I start with, okay, number 5 looks all right. If I do that, yeah, I think that's okay. Like 5 is a reasonable length. So that's fine. Okay, I'll start with number 5 and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so this is the final haircut after having a shower and just like, I don't know, drying it a little bit, but it's all right. I don't mind it too much. I think as I'm still quite young and my hairline isn't receding as much yet, I think buzz cut is probably, I've got to take advantage of it, maybe experience it a little bit, what it's like just to have no hair. And yeah, I think it just makes getting ready a lot easier. You know, I don't have to worry about styling or anything. And yeah, also I noticed in pictures a lot, I'm always like, oh, I need to make sure my hair is alright. Don't even need to worry about that anymore. And sometimes I kind of feel like, oh, can I run my hand through my hair? Yeah, I ain't got any hair anymore, but yeah. I think maybe in the next few haircut sessions, I can maybe get a bit more creative maybe, or be a bit more courageous and maybe try and do a number 1 fade from the side, because I do want the sides to be a little bit more shorter than the top, but I'm not gonna try that for the first time. I think this is good enough. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like it or do you hate it? Just got out of the flat for a little bit, just nice brisk walk, and I thought, why not bring my camera along and practice a little bit of photography, because I don't really do much photos. Like, I obviously do more videos than photos for my YouTube and Instagram, but I don't know, I think photos are also really nice to take, so I want to kind of practice the, you know, taking pictures, shot composition, and also the editing as well. So we are back from the gym and we just hit a really quick 20-minute workout circuit, and now we're having a nice meal from, I guess, the new sponsor, PrepKitchen. And I've actually been working with them for the last year or so, since November last year. And you would have seen some of these meals on this channel before as well. And I've just recently signed a 6-month contract with them, and it's paid as well. So I'm earning a little bit of money from them as well, which is honestly really great. So I really do appreciate all of you guys for helping me out, watching the videos, just commenting, liking, just engaging with my content, because that is what ultimately brands look for. And I can sort of have that ground to stand on when it comes to negotiating. So I just honestly, thank you. And yeah, this brand has kind of been there since November, and they're actually the only brand that I've actually met some of the people who actually work there, whereas ASRV, I guess they're based in the US, and I haven't really had the opportunity to meet them face to face. Like I have met the marketing director Ethan on Zoom calls like quite a few times, so that's really nice. But yeah, it's just, you know, different, living in different countries is a bit hard, you know. But yeah, this prep kitchen is UK based, so if you are ever in the UK and you're looking for a meal prep service, Prep Kitchen is honestly a very good one. The protein content in these meals are really good for meal preps. I always find that when you do buy like pre-made meals, like the protein is always like a bit on the low side, but here it's like really good, and you can have a choice of, you know, whether you want low carb meals, you want balanced meals, you want just, you know, like low calorie meals, like all of those things. So I've left a link down below in the description, and you can use my code TANG if you really want to. You can get 30% off your entire subscription duration, which is very nice. And yeah, just gonna tuck into this and edit out this video for tonight because I'm very late with this. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. That will really give me the extra motivation and encouragement to continue making these vlogs for you guys, and I will see you next week.